So you're telling me I can literally wrap my face like a burrito and wake up with baby skin? Yeah, I thought it was too good to be true too. But after testing this $20 Korean miracle for 3 weeks straight, I've got some tea to spill about the Medicube Collagen Night Wrapping Mask. And trust me, you do not want to miss what happened on day 14. Hey, beautiful humans! As someone who's literally slept in more face masks than a spa employee and spent way too much money testing every K-beauty trend that hits the internet, I'm here to give you the real deal on whether this viral mask is worth your hard-earned cash or just another Instagram scam. Alright, so what exactly is this thing? Medicube claims their Collagen Night Wrapping Mask creates this invisible collagen film over your face while you sleep that literally fights gravity. Because apparently, even our skin has trust issues with physics. They promise 8-hour triple care for elasticity, hydration, and glow. The science? It's packed with hydrolyzed collagen, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, ceramides, and adenosine. Basically, the Avengers of skincare ingredients. Now here's my honest experience after using it religiously for 3 weeks. First week, I'll be real, I didn't see much except my bank account crying a little. But here's where it gets interesting. By week 2, my skin actually started feeling firmer when I woke up. And those fine lines around my eyes, they were looking less finey. The texture is this rich, almost gel cream hybrid that doesn't feel sticky or suffocating. Major win because I'm a hot sleeper and hate anything that makes me feel like I'm wearing a face mask to bed. But here's the plot twist. Clinical trials show 31% improvement in elasticity after just 2 weeks. And honestly, I can see why. So is it worth the $20? Here's my brutally honest take. If you're in your late 20s or beyond and starting to panic about gravity doing its thing to your face, this might actually be worth the investment. It's not going to give you 18-year-old skin overnight, but it does make your skin feel more plump and bouncy in the morning. The downside? You need consistency. This isn't a one-night miracle. And if you're on a tight budget, there are also some other cheaper alternatives with similar ingredients. Drop a comment below if you've tried this mask or if you want me to test any other viral skincare products. And if this helped you make a decision, smash that subscribe button. It literally makes my day. See you in the next one, gorgeous!